Perfect. Perfect. So this is my Stagea Series 1. Picked it up for 800 bucks. Surprise if I haven't shown a video about this yet. All right, so the Stagea build begins now. Got a RB25 DET out of a Stagea with all-wheel drive and an ECU. We're good to go. Giving it a bit of a scrub at the minute. It is exceptionally dirty, but it looks like a pretty solid and honest motor, which is nice. Shout out to Peter, bloke lives around the corner from me, sorted me out with this. It was extra nice of him. It even comes with aircon, just missing an alternator. I think the only other bit I really need is a radiator in the chassis and just a few other random bits and pieces, but nothing too serious. So with any luck in the coming month or so, I should have a new daily. My freaking awesome Stagea with leather interior and twin sunroofs, and oh man, it's gonna be great. All right, so we're finally starting on the Stagea build. Don't mind the Camry with no exhaust. So we've got the RB25 here, we cleaned up just a minute ago, and thankfully it's got the heater little bracket things, which is great. We've got to take this exhaust off, put the dust cover and flywheel on, and yeah, get it ready to slap in. I should probably do like an oil filter or like garbage, but too hard basket. I'm sure it'll be fine with old oil and old God knows what else. Plus it's K&N, that's got to be good. Anyway, got the car back today, so it's looking better than ever, being a engineless turd. So we've got all our AC stuff in there already. A lot of our wiring harness is already in there. We got those two to be concerned about. They're looking pretty average, falling apart. Throw our heater hoses through there. Just need a box for that and a bloody radiator, and we're probably good. So we will throw it in, see what happens. We're going to use this exhaust because it's already half on, and the gasket there looks all right. So we'll disconnect that exhaust and shoehorn this old bitch in. And with any luck, in a couple of days, we'll have a rolling car with no ECU because my dumbass didn't find one in time. All right, so we just threw the flex plate on with the automatic bolts. A little bit of Loctite against better judgment. We also ripped this old exhaust pipe off because we're gonna use the one that's in there. Did them up to, supposed to be about 10 kilograms per meter, which is about 100 Newton meters. So 98 plus 2 is 100. Clickety clack, hope it's on the right way. Dust cover's on. Don't have a starter motor, it's tomorrow's problem. And that's filthy. So we'll should probably check that we've got all the gearbox bolts and then slam it in and hope that we've got 2 engine mount nuts because I did not check. Oh, yep, we're good. All right, let's get it in. I just found an 8 mil. It's hiding in the diff. Yeah, present for you. It's on the wheel, right? Hey, we're in. Did you get that? Yeah. Okay, coming down with the crane. Mission accomplished.
Woohoo!
Pulling him in with a diff. Imagine a GTR with twin turbos and a fucking diff.
Yeah, I can't.
In an RB30. Like a...
It won't be a home job, that's for sure.
36. Oh, fuck yeah, it will be. What's the difference between home and a workshop? Just the same tools I do. Except for a hoist, that'd be nice.
And yeah, new nice engine crane.
Well, no, most workshops have got a fucked out engine crane. They've done more jacks than anybody. I'll have to fire you and get another cameraman. Alright. Over there. Nuts on.
Looking good.
Oh, thank you. I've been working it. Alright, so the engine's finally in. Man, this car looks better through the camera than it does in real life. So it was a real pain with that diff, as I'm sure you saw with my mom's amazing filming. Other than that, we just squashed this air conditioning line a little bit. Oh man, the quality of this camera's amazing. There we go, a little bit of a squash. It's not too bad. This one kind of got a little squashed. I think we might have ripped this return line or whatever it is. I'm not sure, but we'll just put fluid in and see if it leaks out everywhere. Other than that, a little bit of scratching going on back here. Probably squashed some lines back here. I can see why this one got ripped out when they pulled the engine. So we'll have to find a new clip for that. But yeah, went in fairly smoothly. Big thanks to Yana for the help. The car almost sits at a respectable height now. Not. Need bigger wheels or lower. And yeah, so now we just got to plug a whole bunch of crap back in and get the gearbox in and then fire it up and suck a bunch of dirt through the intercooler into the engine and blow it all up. Pull it all out and do it again. Should be great.